Hey guys, this is CoBuystedt over at BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Really quick while I'm thinking about it, if you find this video useful to you or informational, like and subscribe to our channel right now. So let me tell you about this Heritage Glen 370BL and why I'm so excited about this brand. So first of all, it's got all, those features that you see that you would expect nowadays. It's got the auto leveling system, the heated and enclosed underbelly and stuff like that. But if you come in here, you can see there's a Go Power solar charge controller. So we have solar on this rig. Now here's your through storage bay. Now the thing that I like about this brand the most, nice solid steps right here by the way. The thing I like about this brand is they really dive into floor plan. So what they're gonna focus on is size, because it matters. You gotta have all these windows are all oversized windows that go all the way around. Your ceiling heights are gonna be bigger. They're curved to even make them feel bigger. Your drawers and stuff like that you have are all gonna be super deep and long. That's just kind of how these guys play the game. So if you're looking for something to maximize your floor plan or experience a room, this is the right brand for that. Now coming onto the rig for the floor plan, here you got the love seats. Okay, this is the Thomas Paine collection. Then you have this one does turn into a bed, so that's nice to know. You face right at your TV. It's a great living room setup for a rear living room. I really like that this is traded. Other ones, like, it's backwards. It's refreshing to see it this way. It makes this rig one of my favorites. So coming on over here, here's your kitchen setup, your cooktop, your oven. Down here is a little storage spot, but they made it look like part of the oven, which I think is really cool, that they made it all kind of uniform. Here's a microwave up here. You got your gas and electric refrigerator and freezer right here. Now you got your island right here, your sinks, an extended counter space right here. I like this. You can like cook in like everyone's right here. This is like the family hangout rig. Speaking of family hangout rig, this is a bunkhouse and they get their own room with bunks. That couch below does turn into a bed and that bunk above does get out of your way if you want to use the couch in couch mode. You also have this setup right here. You can put a TV right there if you want for them. So this is also, I've seen people take the couch and the bed out and use this as an office. This could totally be an office space if you want to. It's very perfect for that. Now coming on up here, look at these awesome steps. I mean, there's nothing like to pitch about them about quality. They're just regular steps. They just look cool. I just like the way they look. Coming up here, this is your second bunk area. So you do have like that little cubby in the back corner too. I want you to see. Look at that. So this ladder setup right here, it comes with the ladder to get you up there, and it does come out so you can get up at that nice comfort way. It doesn't come out of the wall though, so you'll never lose it. You put it right here and it's stuck there for transportation. That's super nice. Now coming on through here, and then right in here, there's your bathroom setup. Okay, nice big residential size shower. Honestly, it's massive. I really like that. Now coming on into here, we have, this is your dresser setup. Remember how I said everything's just super deep and big? It's just very true with this brand. Also, I'm standing up and the roof is consistent all the way to the front. That's a thing with Heritage Glen, is they're gonna kind of give you the price point of a middle-sized front cap, which means ceiling height or size of fifth wheel. The price point of a mid-size, but for a full size. So all Heritage Glens are gonna be full-size fifth wheels. They're big, they're nice, but they're competitive pricing. I really like that. You come in here. This is where your washer and dryer will go if you want to. If you don't want to, you can just use this coat hanger. You can just hang your clothes. And then of course we have this spot right here too. I'll add that this is a king bed. Great place for shoes. Shoes is always that thing with fifth wheels. It's like, where do you put them? They told you where. It makes sense. So yep, that's the Heritage Glen. One of my favorite brands because they're extremely sizable and their floor plans make a lot of sense. Their color palettes are beautiful. They're not super white. They're not super black. They're that middle range where everybody's kind of happy. So if you have any questions on this rig at all, don't forget to like and subscribe. You can call me, CoBuystedt, at 541-735-1535. I am kind of a fifth wheel guy here, so if you have any questions about any other rigs I stock or anything like that, this is the kind of products that I know most about. So I'll talk to you guys soon and see you in the next video.